use this as a microphone. Toilet bowl brush. And there's no one around. I could practice. La 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 la. My little pony. My little pony. What? Go ahead. There's a shirtless bobcat on the premises? All right, I'll check it out.
Yeah, but that week possibly doesn't become missing within our classroom stuff. Yeah. So I think that's a perfect spot for her. Yeah, for her. Wait, it's possibly in your book.
Baxter, you're not allowed here without a shirt. But wait, he doesn't understand English. Let me try Bobcat.
All he had to do was turn in 10 mailers or emails for the Race for Education, and he would have gotten this awesome shirt to wear.
Get back here! Get back here! Ah!
Hey, what you got there? Hey! Hey!
It's a scratch off!
Hey! Give me that! Hey! Okay.
It's a scratch off for sending out 15 emails for Race for Education.
Really? Do you have anything to scratch it off with? Here it is.
Thank you. I want a large prize!
I wonder why you couldn't kick like I was. Like I was doing done, and you're like,
I know, I could. No, I just changed this.
I know, but that's smart.
Yeah.
No, I'm doing that too now.
So I couldn't kick when I
Yeah,
had
I
next to
know.
each other.
That was really smart. Okay. So just start small.
Okay.
These are cool.
Very cool.
What are you guys doing?
Hey, Mrs. White, how are you doing?
Good. What are you doing?
We're just playing with our sneaker keychains.
Aren't these amazing?
They're so great.
Oh,
Did
you
you
have them
guys
too?
send in 20 letters or emails too?
I did 20 emails.
I did 20 flyers.
I did 20. I did 10 letters and 10 emails.
Isn't this great? I can't believe this is a prize. Like, did you look how neatly they're made?
Yes, they look just like the shoes that I wear, my Converse sneakers.
Oh, yeah.
I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah. And look, you get green and pink.
Red and blue.
Or white and black.
I mean, I don't know what you're going to get. You might just get what you get and you don't
you
get
don't
upset.
get to pick, I don't think.
But it doesn't even matter because
They're
all the
just
colors are amazing.
So
They're
cool.
awesome.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put mine on my backpack.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I'm doing that too.
Oh, yeah. I better return this one to my sister because she also sent out 20. So
That's what I
one's
did,
mine and
too.
one's hers.
Yeah.
Yeah, but these are great.
Yeah, they're
Do you
so
want to
fun.
put yours on your backpack?
Yeah, I would love to.
All right, let's go do that. Yeah.
Hi everybody, it's Mrs. May, and I'm in the beautiful Sonoran Desert out in southern Arizona. And I thought today would be a great day to take a walk through the desert looking for some wildlife. I see lots of bushes and prickly pear cactus around, and I'm wondering if maybe there might be an animal or two hiding. So let's see if we can take a closer look and see what's here. Oh my, look at that. Looks like this tarantula here decided to take a rest under this prickly pear cactus. Let's just slowly back up and leave him alone. I'm not sure I want to get too close to him. Let's see what else we can find. I heard that Baxter the bobcat has some friends that live out in this area. Let's see if we can find any of them. Wait a minute, what's this? Why, that's Baxter himself on this really cool bag just hanging here in the middle of the desert. And it looks like there's a note in the bag. Let's see what that says. It says, "Dear Bedminster Elementary students, if you'd like a bag just like this one, all you need to do is send 25 emails or 25 mailers asking your friends and your relatives to help support Bedminster Elementary during the race for education." Well, that doesn't sound too hard to do. Let's see if we can find any other animals, because you know, it seems when you're walking through the desert, you never really know what kind of animals you might see.
Okay, here we go. Focus. Speed. I am speed. 1 winner. 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast. Breakfast? Maybe I should have had breakfast. A little brekkie could be good for me. No, stay focused. Speed. I'm faster than fast, quicker than quick. I am lightning.
Miss Simonson.
Hi!
How are you enjoying being at Bedminster?
I absolutely love being at Bedminster. I'm having so much fun this year.
Oh, it's an amazing school. Great parents, the kids are awesome, and we have these really cool activities each year. And one of the activities that's coming up pretty soon in October is called the Race for Education.
The Race for Education? Can you tell me more about it?
Well, it's kind of a activity where the kids go out and they raise money for the school and the parents help them, and they have these amazing prizes for the kids like that earn the most amount of money. And if they're the person in the school that earns the most amount of money, they get, you ready for this? 4 tickets to the Philadelphia Phantoms.
They get 4 tickets to the Philadelphia Phantoms?
Wouldn't that be so much fun?
That would be awesome.
And guess what? That's not it. You could also get 4 tickets to the Iron Pigs.
So you also get 4 tickets to the Iron Pigs?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, so you get both.
Isn't that incredible?
That is great. So awesome. And this is if you get 3rd place?
3rd and most of money in the whole school.
I can't wait
I'm
for
so
the Race for
excited
Education.
to start. Awesome.
Clemens, how was your summer?
Great.
So good to see you. Wait, I'll walk in with you. I just have to text somebody. Hi, Mrs. O'Grady. How was your summer?
Mrs. Giuliano, it was great.
It's so good to see you. Are you excited for the new school year?
So excited. The school looks beautiful.
I know. We're going to walk in with Mrs. Clemens. We're waiting for Mrs. Robinson. I think she's coming soon. Mrs. Robinson! Welcome back. Yeah, excited for the new year.
You're looking over it. Yeah. Guys.
Nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing.
How do you like my new ride? Isn't this cool?
How did you get that?
Well, so Race for Education is here at Bedminster Elementary again this year, and if you win or earn the second most amount of money for Race for Education, you can win this.
That's awesome.
I want one.
I think I can do that.
Oh man, I really love playing the Switch. I wonder how I could get a Switch Lite. They're so cool.
Mommy, that's mine.
Here, you can have your Switch, because the top fundraiser for Race for Ed gets a Switch Lite. And what else does this say? Oh no, if we raise over $25,000, I'm gonna get slimed.